Sun Hydrogen is striving for new heights in renewable energy production and efficiency, collaborating with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, to improve solar to hydrogen conversion. Powered by Redox and the University of Michigan's Sing Lab, hydrogen generators from this company are reaching new levels of performance. Their partnership is helping optimize efficiency to ensure reliable stability. Sun Hydrogen's breakthrough technology. Sun Hydrogen's technology uses nanoparticles to generate green hydrogen directly from water and sunlight. The nanoparticles act as semiconductors, absorbing sunlight and converting it into electrical charges that split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The process is similar to photosynthesis in plants, where sunlight is used to create energy from carbon dioxide and water. Sun Hydrogen's technology differs from traditional methods of hydrogen production, such as steam methane reforming, which relies on fossil fuels and produces greenhouse gases as a byproduct. The company's technology is also different from electrolysis, which uses electricity to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Sun Hydrogen's nanoparticle-based system is more efficient than electrolysis and does not require expensive catalysts or platinum group metals. Sun Hydrogen has revolutionized the process of producing hydrogen by developing a unique technology that is more efficient than traditional methods and eliminates expensive catalysts. Scientists have discovered a revolutionary new way to produce hydrogen without the need for traditional fossil fuels or electricity, eliminating any possibility of generating greenhouse gases. Nanoparticles unlock this clean energy source that can be tapped into and used sustainably with minimal environmental impact. Benefits of Sun Hydrogen's technology. Sun Hydrogen's innovative technology is highly efficient and presents an exciting solution for the clean energy transition. Using this technology to generate green hydrogen, this method may reduce emissions from fossil fuels used in transportation, industrial processes, and more. By providing a renewable source with zero greenhouse gas output that can replace traditional methods at greater cost effectiveness, Sun Hydrogen could be paving our way towards a brighter future. Thirdly, Sun Hydrogen's technology uses low-cost, abundant materials, making it an economical solution for mass manufacturing. The company's larger version of the nanoparticle-based green hydrogen generator is a step towards producing commercial-scale hydrogen panels. Sun Hydrogen's partnerships and future plans. Sun Hydrogen is striving for new heights in renewable energy production and efficiency, collaborating with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, to improve solar to hydrogen conversion. To further enhance the performance of its hydrogen generators, it has partnered up with Redox and University of Michigan's Sing Lab to ensure their technology reaches maximum stability levels. In the future, Sun Hydrogen aims to become a major technology supplier in the hydrogen economy. The company plans to develop, acquire, and partner with other critical technologies to enable a future of emission-free vehicles, ships, data centers, aircraft, and more. Conclusion. Sun Hydrogen is leading the charge towards a carbon-free future with its revolutionary technology that produces renewable hydrogen using solar energy and water. Nanoparticles form the core of this highly efficient system, which creates green hydrogen while being economical to manufacture in bulk. To further improve scalability and efficiency, they have entered into strategic collaborations with NREL, Redox, and Sing Lab, putting them at the forefront of delivering an environmentally sustainable tomorrow. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.